2025 was a landmark year for Europe in space. A year of milestones that reaffirmed Europe's leadership in science, exploration, climate action, and innovation. 50 years after ESA's founding, Europe celebrated half a century of scientific leadership and strong international partnerships in space. Across ESA sites and public open days, Europe came together to reflect on extraordinary achievements and look ahead to a bold future in space. 2025 was a year of steady growth for Europe's space transportation systems. Vega C and Ariane 6 both completed a series of successful launches, strengthening Europe's access to space. ESA also advanced its Future Launches Preparatory Program, paving the way for next-generation launch systems. In September, the first Themis reusable rocket demonstrator stood tall on the launch pad in Sweden, marking a key step towards sustainable and reusable European launch systems. Across the year, ESA expanded its world-leading Earth observation capabilities. Biomass was launched to map carbon stored in the world's forests, using the first P-band radar flown in space. 2 new atmospheric Sentinels also took flight. Sentinel-4 now monitors aerosols and air quality every hour, while Sentinel-5 delivers data on trace gases and climate variables. Sentinel-1D joined the Copernicus radar constellation, and Sentinel-6B extended long-term measurements of sea level rise and ocean topography. Lastly, Hydro-GNSS, ESA's first scout satellite embracing the new space approach, was launched to monitor water as a vital climate resource. This year, Solar Orbiter became the first spacecraft to image the Sun's poles from outside the ecliptic plane. Its observations uncovered that the Sun has magnetically messy poles and restless plasma flowing through its outer layers. As Solar Orbiter climbs to even higher inclinations, it will reshape our understanding of the solar cycle and the Sun's influence on Earth. In a world first, the Proba 3 satellites flew in perfect formation to create an artificial solar eclipse, revealing the Sun's corona in remarkable detail. These images are giving scientists new insights into the solar storms that affect life here on Earth. After more than a decade of mapping the Milky Way, the Gaia spacecraft was formally retired. It was powered down and placed into retirement orbit around the Sun. Over its lifetime, Gaia mapped nearly 2 billion stars and other objects with remarkable precision. And the science continues. Gaia's largest data release next year will ensure that we can keep expanding our understanding of the Milky Way for years to come. Euclid opened a new chapter with its first batch of data, offering a stunning glimpse into the deep universe. In just 1 week of observations, Euclid revealed 26 million galaxies across 3 deep fields. Supported by AI and thousands of citizen scientists, the telescope unlocked galaxy clusters, quasars, and hundreds of strong gravitational lens candidates. ESA's Flyeye telescope opened its eye to the sky for the first time this year. With a field of view more than 200 times the size of the full moon, it automatically scans the night sky for near-Earth asteroids and comets. Its images revealed known asteroids and even a newly discovered near-Earth object. The Hera mission completed a precision flyby of Mars, using the planet's gravity to set course for the Didymos-Dimorphos system, while rehearsing instruments on the red planet and its moon Deimos. This was a major step in Europe's planetary defense capability, which even featured a cameo from Sir Brian May. ESA project astronaut Sławosz Uznański-Wiśniewski flew to the International Space Station on Axiom Mission 4, becoming the second of ESA's new astronaut generation to fly on a commercial mission. He completed more than 20 experiments, from material science to biomedical research. In October, ESA inaugurated a new 35-meter deep space antenna at New Norcia, Australia, expanding the S-Track satellite tracking network. With ultra-sensitive receivers and powerful transmission systems, the antenna will support existing and future missions such as Plato and Vigil. Galileo continued to grow with additional first-generation satellites and steady progress on the second generation. The year also advanced Celeste, Europe's new low Earth orbit navigation demonstrator, with its first satellites prepared for launch next year. November marked a key development for IRIS, the satellite-based air traffic management system designed to make aviation more sustainable and efficient. A Boeing flight from Houston to Edinburgh confirmed its global potential, showing how satellite communications can cut delays and reduce aviation's carbon footprint. 2025 also strengthened Europe's international partnerships, with a strong presence at the International Astronautical Congress and the Paris Air Show at Le Bourget. ESA strengthened Europe's commercial space ecosystem by growing private investment, supporting startups, and opening the Deep Tech Innovation Center in Switzerland, positioning Europe for leadership in a space economy set to exceed $1 trillion. The year ended on a strong note as Europe renewed its commitment to space with the largest budget in ESA's history. This milestone launched the implementation of Strategy 2040, strengthening Europe's resilience, autonomy, and renewing its promise to protect our planet, explore new worlds, and inspire generations.